Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 or a 10 copy paste not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. After that scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Select a Windows Explorer and click on restart. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that open a file explorer, go to your C drive, and after that go to your Windows, go to your System 32, after opening that in the search box type ORD RDP clip. So search RDP clip. Now here is a RDP clip. Select it, right click, run as administrator. After doing this that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator privileges. After doing this that, type a command is cmd space slash c space slash echo space off space slash clip and close it. Press enter, and after doing this that, type a exit and close the registry editor command prompt, and after doing this that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.